Harvesting beans on River Hill Farms, 2025. Working on the last field right now. Not too many acres of beans this year, just the way the rotation worked. But got 2 big cases in the field with some big MacDon headers on there. I think they're 40 footers if I remember right. So definitely can chew up the acres, that's for dang sure. So got John in one combine and Tate in the other. Got old Roy there in the big 4-wheel drive with the Kenzie 1500. Should have this knocked out this afternoon. I can get on to something else. So, yeah. Going pretty smooth so far. A little tough going, cloudy, overcast. Beans are a little tough today. Having to take it a little bit easy, but they're getting it done. So, harvest has officially begun. Thanks for watching.